Okay, I figured I'd do the best breakdown of this motorcycle sculpture of mine as I could. Everybody asked me what's in it. Well, the base, the start of everything was the tattoo machine right there, obviously. I went from there with some shelf brackets, some old ones. I had some bull rings here and here. I cold welded this one inside of a big washer, inside of a sink drainer. I used a pull chain for a fan here, some nuts and bolts, and these little rings right here came off of a purse. The jockey shift is a pin clip. This right here, that ring there, is holds the top onto a spray paint can. These are finishing nails sandwiched between two washers and screws. These forks right here are a tattoo needle bars and wire connectors, some springs, some tops, a vape tip here, some staples here. Everything's kind of, oh, that little pedal there's a zipper. I made these bags. And that in there is rubbing alcohol and black light paint, yellow black light paint. I made that little suspension there. It actually a little dog tag on the back, and that's a bracelet, the back fender. That's that.